Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Shilpa Arora Sharma and I am your success manifestation coach. And today I'm making this video to manifest money really quickly by healing your money energy. This has guaranteed results. Like if you do all these 7 affirmations, it will definitely heal your money energy and you are naturally, subconsciously going to manifest a lot of money. Now, if you are watching my content for the first time, then you please subscribe to my channel. अगर आप मेरा content first time देख रहे हैं तो a very warm welcome to you on this journey जहाँ पे आप बहुत कुछ manifest कर सकते हैं. So please subscribe to my channel. And I work with people and I help them regulate their emotional energy so that they manifest fast. तो यही मेरा काम है. I help people उनकी emotional energy पे मैं काम करती हूँ और फिर उनकी manifestation फटाफट होती है. So stay tuned for this. And this video is about healing your money energy to manifest a lot of money fast. So for your information, I do this on my Instagram handle. इसमें जो मैं affirmation 7 बता रही हूँ, there you'll find 7 reels on my Instagram handle. In every reel, there is an affirmation that I'm doing. और ये एक collective video है for all the reels and for all the 7 affirmations for all 7 chakras to heal your money energy. Now, concept in money manifestations are very deep and you have to give time to understand. So there is a one way like dissociated checklist money manifestation. इतना पैसा मुझे चाहिए, इसलिए चाहिए, and then you are visualizing and that money comes. So this is a manifestation technique that you write how much money you want for what you want, and then you visualize that you have got those things and universe awards the money to you. Now, this is a very checklisted manifestation technique and you get exhausted because money comes and goes. And I've been doing it, but now it's like I'm on an advanced journey and I no longer teach that. I teach something else, which is to have a solid connection with your money energy. So take money energy as another, person or your own energy with which you need to find this connection and heal it. अब जैसे कोई person है आपकी life में और आपकी उसके बीच में misunderstandings है, like you have a person in your life and you have misunderstandings with them, like you feel that they are not there for you, or sometimes you feel bad for them in your mind, or you say it also, then the relationship gets really bad. So same thing happens with money. That's why you need to heal your money energy. So let's say the money was not there and you said, मेरे पास तो पैसा होता ही नहीं है. You're ruining your relationship. So you have to really heal it. And sometimes you say, see, I can't do this because I don't have money and money is never coming to me. All these things. And I am in debt. All these things. I go to mall and I can't buy things I want. All these things that we tell to ourselves that really wounds a relationship. हमारी relationship money energy के संग खराब हो जाती है. So do these 7 affirmations with me for all 7 chakras to repair your energy with money. So I'll start with root chakra. The first affirmation says, और ये affirmation सारी मेरी app में भी आती हैं. App का नाम है Manifestor App. You can download it and find them there also. So the first affirmation is of root chakra. It says, I am grounded and secure with my money energy. I am grounded and secure with my money energy. Okay, now you have to feel really secure with her. You have to feel that she's always there for you. She's always taking care of you. कि आपने कभी connect किया, नहीं किया, but still money energy is there and always taking care of you. You thought about her or you did not think about her. So you have to really feel this affirmation and do it. Now the second affirmation, which is emotionally when we feel hurt. कि मेरे पास तो होता ही नहीं है पैसा. This is an emotional block. The sacral chakra पे हम आ गए. We are at the sacral chakra. So affirmation is, I release emotional blocks from my past and I open my financial abundance. I'm repeating this again. I release emotional blocks from my past and I open my financial abundance. You really feel it, and it's below the navel, and it's orange color. Really, feel that you're releasing any emotional blocks for the money energy. All right, now let's go towards the third one. Third affirmation is at the confidence level, because your confidence really gets shattered sometimes, and because you can't do it because you don't have the money. So let's do this affirmation. I have the confidence and capability to heal my money energy. Just really believe in your capabilities of doing it. I have the confidence and capability to heal my money energy. And really feel this affirmation, and you'll be able to do it. Now, the next affirmation is, I open my heart to heal my money story. Now, this is about your heart, right? How you open it and how you want to heal your money story. So just open your heart that now you'll heal your money story. All the past which was there, wherever you felt it was not there, you will really heal it. Okay, and the next chakra is throat chakra, and the affirmation is, I speak positively about my financial journey. And it is a very important affirmation because words have power, and words manifest and cross-manifest the things that you want. Agar aap bol rahe ho, if you are saying constantly, I lack money, I don't have the money, then you will manifest that. Instead of that, you should say, I am working on my money, I am learning to manage my money. This is the way you should speak, and never speak negatively about money. Okay, so you got the affirmation. I speak positively about my financial journey. Really feel it and do the affirmation. Now next is, we go up on the third eye. It's, I trust my intuition to transform and heal my financial past. I'm repeating it again. Third eye ki affirmation hai, third eye chakra ki. I trust my intuition to transform and heal my financial past. Really feel it and do this affirmation, and trust your intuition, and it'll just start happening. Past mein jo bhi hua, it'll just be healed, and your relationship with money will be like, she's kind to me, she's always there for me, she takes care of me and all that. Okay, now the last affirmation is of crown chakra. It's very important affirmation, and it says, the energy of universe heals my money energy. So you really open it to feel the energy of universe to heal your money energy. Just really feel it, that abundance is really open, and now whatever the past was, lack of money or anything, debts or anything, everything will be taken care of, and the energy of universe heals your money energy. So this is the affirmation. And when you do all 7 affirmations regularly, you will really be tuning into your subconscious and work on this relationship with your money energy and make it better and healthy. So I hope you like the video, and stay tuned for more, because there are more money affirmations, and I really give it to my high ticket students. There I just merge all this information in a deep way so that it's very, very effective, and it just quickly energizes you, forming your connection with money, and there is a lot of depth to it. So I hope you did all the information. Save this video and tell me in the comments what changes did you feel inside you. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye.